Hi guys, this is Kelly and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing another video on English for business presentations. And today's topic is tips and tricks for making your presentation slides. Well, I have titled this video under the business presentation segment, but I think this can be applicable for your academic presentations, business presentations, or whatever presentation it is that you have to do. So I hope you find these tips useful, and without further ado, let's begin. Tip number 1 is to focus on using the visual aids. For example, let's say you have a slide like this and you have a slide like this. So if you look at these two slides, can you guys tell me which one is easier for you to understand and easier for you to comprehend? Yeah, definitely. This one is a lot easier for you to see because this one includes a lot of visuals and it has keywords. So rather than this one with a lot of sentences, I think a lot of people would prefer looking at this slide. I mean, this can definitely differ a little bit depending on which industry or which field that you are working in. But in most cases, people prefer visuals over sentences and a lot of words. Surprise, surprise. I mean, obviously, you would know that, but in a lot of cases, like when I'm coaching business presentations or back in when I was working for the company, I've seen that a lot of people still like to include a lot of sentences in their presentation slides. And I think sometimes they do this because they want to just read off of their slide. It's easier if you just put down sentences, but it's always better to include a chart or include a keyword or include a picture rather than just putting a lot of sentences in your slide. And I totally understand, like I've seen that in medical industry or a pharmaceutical industry, like they need to put a lot of, like professional vocabularies and things. So I know that it's harder to make a slide just based on keywords. But if you can, please take the opportunity or please try to make your slide as simple as possible. This can be so much better because, the audience can focus on you rather than focusing on your slide. So if there are less things on your slide, then people will likely to pay attention to you and what you are going to say to understand what those keywords are. So that's my first tip. Tip number 2. My second tip is to be consistent within a slide. And what I mean by this is if you are just going to put keywords in your slide, then just put keywords all the way. Don't go like keyword, sentence, sentence, keyword, I think it's always better to have that coherent look on your slide. So just if you're going to put keywords, then put keyword all the way. If you have to use some kind of, short sentences, then put sentences all the way. And if you're going to use sentences, try to start your sentence with the same form. Let's say you used a past tense verb for starting out your sentence, then try to do that for all of your sentences. Like achieved something result in last quarter and executed something strategies and did something. So I think that's always better. I think that gives your slide a very consistent and coherent look. So if you can, please try to start your sentences with the same forms. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips were helpful in making your presentation slides. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. And I will see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye!